Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Beep. Yo, what go on? We're there. With another one. If you're not telling Happy New Year already, Happy New Year. You see me? 2021 was good. 2022 is gonna get better. Alright? So today we are here with Intence New Gear. New Gear. We're gonna jump straight to the one here and see what the G has say. Intence, pick up yourself. Let's go.
Cause if you don't hear me, want the clutch and get up. Money never change, but I'm gonna change up. If thanks I'm there, yeah. Look how much people got in bed and wake up.
True.
You tell me that I'm good, I do it. Stuck up a paper, I'm for later. Minimum, you could get to them girls, yeah. If I'm making my command clear, I'm like one saver. Don't beg my body, nothing. My devil in favor.
You think so far, I give gratitude. Welcome to say, yo, me not beg nobody, not me even like favor. Cause there are some people, you know, as soon as you beg them do something for you, they hold it against you and think that you hold them something. Not possible. And I say it right.
Rich forever, ever and ever. No be no failure, that I know where no. Cool much on my dog, them dead off. Enough never leave for see the area. Just spare with life, your brother. So me have to give a thanks every day, yeah.
Pull up it up. Clap.
Money never change, but I'm gonna change up. If thanks I'm there, look how much people got
Sure.
dead and wake
What's your style, I know?
You tell me that I'm good, I do it. Stuck up a paper, I'm for later. Minimum, you could get to them girls, yeah. If I'm making my command clear, I'm like one saver. Don't beg my body, nothing. My devil in favor. One rich forever, ever and ever. No be no failure, that I know where no. Cool much on my dog, them dead off. Enough never leave for see the area. Just spare with life, your brother. So me have to give a thanks every day, yeah. Don't know if you will live up here and pressure. People can't find food like myself, yeah. Whole world man living out with vengeance. Give me beg, judge of God, give me strength from.
This is a different side of Intence. This is a different side. This is a more emotional side of Intence. In Intence, I have the persona say, yo, fuck on, I'm not care, I need to know. That is Intence now, my persona. The flossing, the Intence, I think about the chopping and this and that. But this is a more emotional side of him, where it's like him I put the emotion and the music. Panda one, yeah. I like that one, I'm not telling a lie.
If you will live up here and pressure, people can't find food like myself, yeah. Whole world man living out with vengeance. Give me beg, judge of God, give me strength from.
That song, yeah, I want them song where you can feel every word what I say. You can relate to every word what I say. If you're in a certain situation, you can relate to every word what the G say. One of them song, yeah, like it.
Can't do just my body friend, kill friend. Board house and the ghetto with the zinc fence. Can't tell me about poverty, my been there. Did I for make it all poor life, no fit there. Get on your house and big Benz. We no want no gun, no fifth gen. If a gun, we go dead for the kids them. Could have been a victim of the system. Don't tell me that I'm gonna do it. Can't stack up paper, I put for later. Minimum wage could give with them girls. Ever make a muckle, you my dog go and save up.
Man said minimum wage couldn't give them gears. Every make a muckle, some dogs them go and save up. Yo, I really talking now. No matter how hard you work, once you up minimum wage, you can't do nothing but a hand to mouth as you get your money done. As you get your money done, dog. I'm not joke. So that drive the youth them figure do some things more time where you wanna say Jaja because the man them gone on the road. But sometimes I just a system, dog. Minimum wage can't do nothing, brother. Minimum wage, a bus fare. If you go back to work. If you don't have a drive. And it's more likely to say you don't have a drive if you have a minimum wage, dog. Like, it's rough, bro.
No beg nobody nothing, you're medieval like favor. One rich forever. Ever and ever. Big and a failure, that ain't a winner. That ain't a winner. Yeah, them used to tell me say we can't do it. But them they you know, when I say them gonna sleep.
Shame them pussy. They used to tell us that we can't do it. What them they know? Them gonna sleep, man. Want a pillar? Move your butt, like you can't sleep, but you're not ashamed. How you feel? Oh, the same man did put man down and tell me, say, I can't do it. Look at me now. That's what the boss said. Look at me now. How you feeling? Like a piece of suck up back juice laying up over there, so. Or dirty cloth.
Makes clear and we aren't clear. Never grip nobody for nothing but them object. Last year, them a time I'm gonna clip who got alone. Young and dumb, I made the wrong thing, now we fully grown. Can't make that boy no more, me and my son I grew up. I tell me that I'm gonna do it. Can't stack up a paper, I put for later. Minimum, we ain't could give with them girls, yeah. If make a muckle, you my dad go and save up. No beg nobody, nothing, you my evil like favor. Want rich forever. Everyone there, everyone there, everyone there. Begin to fail, you're that ain't a winner. Tell me that I'm gonna do it. Can't stack up a paper, I put for later. Cause if you not here, you won't look like and get up. Money never change, but I'm gonna change up. Give thanks someone there, yeah. Look how much people got in bed and wake up.
Bad song. I feel I wanna intense. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. This bad, bro. This bad for real. Me like that side that intense, yeah, where him put him emotion in the music. So him sing so people so 3/4 of Jamaica can relate because the next quarter them rich and not talk. Them rich and up on the hillside. I look down on the poorer class. You understand? So intense, big up yourself, G. Big up the production team. You see me? This one I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next one as usual. You know the thing go? Yeah, man!